When servicing today's custom or high-end wheel assemblies, it's important to prevent damage while using a center clamp tire changer like the Coates 80C. The Coates flange plate accessory eliminates the chance of the wheel hub being scratched and safely changes reverse drop center wheel assemblies without damage. One reliable system to properly change a wide variety of tire and wheel assemblies. The plate can be configured to fit 4 to 8 lug wheels. Each removable pin is set in place with an O-ring. To change the number of pins, first locate the master pin, identified with a 0 next to it. This pin will never be moved. In this case, we'll be converting a 5-pin setup to a 4-pin setup. Note the other numbers on the base of the plate and place a pin in each of the holes that is labeled with the number 4. Note that on the bottom of each pin is a smaller locator pin that you'll want to match up with its designated hole as well. Now that the plate is set up for a 4-lug wheel, the easiest way to size the pin diameter for the wheel assembly is to lay the wheel down flat and use it as a guide to adjust the pins as needed. Once sized, take the plate and line up the locator pin on the 80C with the plate. Then position the wheel assembly over the pins and thread them through the lug holes. An alternative method is to use the included caliper and take a measurement of the wheel lug holes, then size the flange plate accordingly. Finally, tighten down the center locking mechanism and service the assembly as you normally would. When it comes to unmatched quality and shop-proven equipment, trust the world leader in wheel service equipment, Coates.